Hello friends, it's Angela with To Restore You, and I thought it would be fun. I just got a bunch of new packages from Amazon, one of my favorites, and so I thought I would show you some of the awesomeness that I got. I started with, okay, let's just be real honest. Sometimes we make mistakes, right? Well, I accidentally ordered these thinking they were a different color. But they are white, and I think there were 100 of them. I have kind of started playing around with them. I just got these this morning, but these are little layaway or repair tags, and they come, this is what it looks like originally. And so you can just tear off all these fun pieces. And I was working on doing some kits for our farmer's market of ephemera and thought these would be a nice little ad, and maybe I'd do a couple of videos. These aren't even dry. That's how new all these goodies are. So these were I think they were like $17, but I got, not only did I get these, but I also got these dark ones, which I'll show you as well. Let's see, where did I put those little goodies? Oh, here they are. And these I just started playing with as well. Very same thing. They've got lots of tags. I marked up a little bit of them. I actually made one and used one of these little paperclip flippies. I'm gonna show you all how to make with it, but you could certainly just use it like that. Flip it over like that. And I stuck a little sticker on it and stuck it into one of my flip-flaps. So that was a very quick project that I did this morning. So that was kind of fun. But yeah, these are really awesome and really useful for so many things. Oh my gosh, my grandma kitty wants out. I shut the, there you go, baby. I shut the office doors because my kids are home from early out, and they're, my daughter was watching something, I'm sure, very important upstairs. So another goodie that I picked up were some of these awesome bags. They are really lightweight, and I think I got 100 of them for 10 bucks. So I played around just a smidge with this on just a piece of music paper, but I put one that I thought I would do something with. I've just started, so who knows what this will end up with. And then I used one bag and separated it to make 2 more envelopes inside. But these, I mean, there's so many fun things that you can do with this, so I'm looking forward to that. And then, you know, sometimes accidents happen. So I ordered some of these bags, which are really cool. This one looks like it's got some writing on it, and they're just reproduction envelopes. Sorry guys, I've been working this morning, so my hands are all inky. And I think these were like 25 of them for $8. Well, then I had been searching and found these papers, which also, I don't know how I ended up with them, but so it came with, let's see, 72 pieces. It came with all of these papers of different shapes and forms, and then a bunch of envelopes that match. So wasn't intending to buy the paper, but you know, there's no paper that we cannot use. So I got those little goodies. I have a couple more things coming, which I'm excited about, but I don't think they're going to be here for a while. So we'll just carry on. This was a really fun find. I had a ton of these for tags for our Mercantile event venue, and I was like, well, I could use some more, and I can always find a purpose for them. So these are just blank tags. I don't even know. I think there were 100 of them, and I think that they were like not very much. under $10. But this is what they look like when you get them. And then these are just 2 little tags I whipped up this morning just so I could show you kind of what you could use them for, but you can just imagine how many things you can use them for, pullouts and all kinds of fun stuff. So these were extremely inexpensive. Probably one of the things that if I were to suggest anything, that these would be something you should definitely have in your stash. And just as an aside, I mentioned that these are all from Amazon, and you can find them all. I've added, I think, most everything that I order and use. I only put things on our store that we actually love and use, and it's under the To Restore You list, but you can find it at amazon.com/shop Restoration Harmony, which is our parent company. Then I found these repair tags. Now, these were a little bit more expensive. I don't normally do this, but I really wanted them, and there were 500 of them. So these are repair tags. They're one-sided, so you could use the size as blank. They also already have the tags on them, which that's one thing that's, like, it's worth it, right? Because then you don't have to find string and string them all together. But here's some just fun things. I inked some of them up. I wrote on some, I tried to write like somebody would in the 1900s, and that didn't work out so well, but you know, so I dyed a few of them, and just kind of tried to zhuzh them up a bit. And then this one I just stuck in one of my little pockets, which if you haven't seen our video on using old photo protectors or photo albums for your projects, you should check that one out. So there was all of these, and these, like I said, I don't know if I told you, these were a little bit more expensive. I think these were $32, but I got 500 of them. So one of the things that's going to be good is that I can share the love with all of our clients and put them in their little bags of ephemera. But this one had to be my favorite in this little haul, and it was 100 library cards with envelopes. So it is a lot. Like, if I go through all of these, I will be surprised. But you know what? I'm telling you, whenever I get go to a thrift shop and I get a library card that's inside of a book, you can bet that I'm going to be cutting that out. So, hey, I just saved myself some time. But here's a really awesome thing about these, and what a bargain, is that they're all adhesive, self-adhesive on the back. So this is what they they look like originally. And then this morning I just, again, coffee stained and tea dyed. I did a little stamping. I just used whatever I had sitting there, and distressing of this. And then this one, I just happened to have some sheet music that I had been doing some watercolor flowers on. So I don't know what's going to happen here. Did I stick it together? So I thought, well, I'll just try it out. So I stuck one of those on there, and this is some of that paper that I wasn't expecting to get. So just one signature page that is clearly not done, but I just wanted to show you how you could use these. In fact, it looks to me like I put that upside down. It wouldn't be the first time. But, I mean, for a very, very, very inexpensive amount of money, if you are not into thrifting and antiquing for good ephemera, and you want to take a shortcut, then hop on our page. As you guys know, when you shop our shop, that helps us and our business so that we can continue doing what we do and serve our clients in the best way possible. So I hope to see you back soon, and look for many, many projects using some of these resources that I've shown you today. So until then, I wish you all the very, very best, and remember to take time and just be. Cheers.